Chia bichel menino dwe abich dwe mapa mwaka libario kipiara rio biangwen ena yuberu niana madip tutuan malu kristayo magen gilego Ministry of Christ Ministry matila cho Guru City guberu ki yom ich irom malamal gen mokere yom ich ena ye kwero mwaka Adek makanicha man ori kwere dok bene ori budano mago akitok pej mapatpat mago beru tie kwe meno yop man kono oberu ti madip tutuan kono ribo lotela KANICA magi ake kabiru mapatpat kachel kelo kristayo lotela yera kachel kidano mapol iro mapatpat ubiru tie kwe meno mabiru diet to toale Minister Madoro Roto ko tipagamente akelo Beatrice Akori ayobiru la kwe madiet e yok meno kono tujujiri majenge ikom lok mene ye gang legaman bene utiyu kila gwaya chel mechelo winyario yani mapat ke kwero mwaka Adek magang legaman ri kwere gen bene gutiyu ke kwe mano pe chakku yop madiet merayo lim me welo ngom pe gedu KANICA piene kama gen tika beriyeni fut ge jola pitutunu.
Now I have come with a small amount of 200,000. But I want to promise you that it's not going to be the last.
One come yup man Martha Acheng tie kitak chwini gen giberayo chante mamite pitik megeru man.
The church has raised about 10 million towards the purchase of land. The land is already there. We identified land not far away from where we are. And we are hoping today we hoped to fundraise and also hold the anniversary after making 3 years. The ministry has made 3 years today, and we are fundraising for the church land where we shall establish the church and the other projects that we look at in future, like we hope to establish a school, we hope to establish a hospital, and many other projects as the ministry will grow.
Pastor Maurice Okwero ma ena jubiru la kwat madiet i KANICA man owajo ni kinge welo ngom KANICA tik megeru obachaka bene chot kingeye
tino beru maber tutwan mano beru yo chen mino wole ma wauti tikere we ko nung le mino ngom KANICA yo mo kene ene church contribution ma dano bino every Sunday chi wo penu dano chi dano mio jo kene be twin parwa gura chi wa ana mer mi wo mo no le ga ke wile ngom idong bana watike yo ken ma char partnership ma jo kene individual people mano waje mi re chuke KANICA tie kire jo mo kene ma wache we ki dwe bana mi na de biare yo mo kene wa ba mi che yo wang ma ngo no wen ma metani kidong bara folo bani atina no KANICA mo kene tie ma gita chuke do bana gita mi no chini mo charity anano KANICA mo kene wa wan KANICA wati kene mi ario KANICA wati kene di biarbit KANICA wati kene million che man beru teno ko maber tutwan maber wati tikere mangelo ba ko nywa we mo no ki ngom
welo ma wara yupman onomia Robert General Charles Otema Wany ento pitik maudie owero kome peo ento or Minister Kiro Beatrice Akori ke mit mamege mechente million achel.
Say this promise with you, he wants to break it, he's going to plant the other day apart from today. But for today, he said, you forgive him.
KANICA Ministry of Christ Ministry fururi pe mwaka Adek kakan ento i kare mikwe man madiet tutwale cha den mabejo obedo tie kama dano mapol ononi chao kituo peka me wich lok manyoru ne gonye ne lare kitao mapol marabao tiu ne woki bolo tich magindor kanicha man P1 TV ni Alexander Okidi.